In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio website using Canva. This will be a complete tutorial for beginners, so make sure to follow along and don't miss a single step. First of all, let us introduce the Canva portfolio website and understand what it is used for. A Canva portfolio website is a simple, single-page website that allows you to showcase your work, skills, and personal brand in a clean and professional way. It is commonly used by graphic designers, video editors, photographers, freelancers, students, and other creative professionals who want to display their projects online without needing any coding or web development knowledge. Using a Canva portfolio website, you can present your work samples, add a short introduction about yourself, highlight your skills, and include contact information, all in one place. The biggest advantage is that everything is visual and easy to customize, making it perfect for beginners. You can quickly create a professional-looking portfolio and share it with clients, employers, or on social media using a single link. To begin, what you have to do is open your browser. It can be Google Chrome or any other browser, and search for canva.com. Once you go to canva.com, you'll see multiple options on the homepage. You can scroll down and see many templates, such as presentations, posters, resumes, emails, logos, flyers, and Instagram posts. When you click on the arrow on the right-hand side, you'll see that there is also a website template option. You can click on this website template. Once you do that, you'll see a lot of portfolio templates loaded right here. There are many portfolio templates available that you can browse through. What you can also do is create a website using Canva AI, which is already built directly into the platform. This feature makes the process even easier, especially if you don't want to manually search through templates. To access it, you can click on the website option located at the bottom of the search bar inside Canva's AI section. From here, Canva allows you to search for any type of website template you need, including portfolio websites. Along with searching, there is also a style option available. When you click on this option, you can browse through a wide range of styles, such as animated, modern, simple, minimalist, clean, professional, and many more. This helps you quickly narrow down designs based on the overall look and feel you want for your website. There are a lot of template styles available in this section. You can also directly search for what you're looking for. For example, if I search for a portfolio website and click Submit, Canva will show me many different portfolio website samples. I can scroll through these designs, explore different layouts, and see what fits my needs best. If I don't want to use any of these designs, I also have the option to click on Create a Blank Website. When I click on Create a Blank Website, Canva opens a new tab. From there, I can start designing my website completely from scratch and build everything exactly the way I want. However, what I really like about Canva is that it offers a huge number of built-in templates, which means you don't actually need to start from zero. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can simply choose a template and customize it according to your needs. For this tutorial, I'm going to use one of the templates. So I'll close this tab and start browsing through the available templates. I'm going to choose this template right here. You'll notice that some templates on Canva are free, while others are paid. The easiest way to tell the difference is by looking at the bottom right corner of the template thumbnail. Free templates do not have any crown icon, while paid templates have a crown icon. When you hover over that crown icon, it clearly says, "Upgrade to Canva Business to use this premium template." Now, I'm going to select a free template. I'll click on it, and then I'll click on Customize this template. As soon as I do that, Canva redirects me to a new tab where the Canva editor opens. This is where I can fully customize the portfolio website. Inside the editor, I can start editing everything. For example, I can double-click on the name section and replace it with my own name. Let's say I type "the stuff." I can also double-click on the introduction paragraph and change it to something like, "I am a graphic designer," or any other description that fits my profile. I can also customize the button at the bottom of the page. By double-clicking on it, I can change the button text to whatever I want. If I want to change the background color, I can simply click on the background and use the background color option at the top. From here, I can choose any color. For example, if I select a gray-orange tone, you can immediately see how the design updates. For now, I prefer a grayish tone because it looks clean, modern, and very minimal. I can also change the images. If I click on this image and then click on the Edit button, a panel opens on the left-hand side. From here, I can change the image, adjust filters, add effects, and much more. If I want to replace the background, I can right-click on the image, select Replace Background, and choose a new one. For now, I'll leave it as it is and move on to the second section. One important thing to keep in mind is that the Canva website maker is based on a single web page. You cannot create multiple pages in one website. You can create a long single-page website with multiple sections and images, but it will still be one page. If you want multiple websites, you'll need to create separate designs and publish them separately. I can also scroll down and change the bio text here. I can add my own bio, but for now, I'll leave it as it is. I can adjust the image size using the slider to increase or decrease it, and I can move the image anywhere on the page, center it, or place it wherever I want. On the left-hand side, there's an Elements and Design panel. From the Design tab, I can generate designs using AI. For example, if I need an image related to measurements, I can click on Generate an Ideal Design and type Generate a Measuring Tape. Canva will then generate a design related to measuring tape. Once it finishes, I'll see multiple image options. I can pick any image from here and use it in my design. I can also add elements manually. If I don't like an element, I can right-click on it and delete it. Then, from the Elements panel, I can add shapes like circles, resize them, center align them, and place images on top. For now, I'll leave it as it is. Another great feature of the Canva website builder is animations. If I want to animate an image, I can click on it and then click on the Animate tab. From here, I can choose different animation styles like brush, ink, digital, wipe, or pop. I'll select the wipe animation because it looks good. You can also adjust the speed and direction, but those options are part of the Pro plan, so I'll leave it as it is. Now, let's scroll down to the Portfolio section. Usually, people showcase multiple images here. I'll delete the existing text and add 3 images instead. One image is already there, so I'll drag it to the left. To duplicate it, I can click on the Duplicate option. I'll duplicate it twice, so I have 3 images. There's also a shortcut. You can hold Alt plus Shift, then drag the image to duplicate it. Now I'll resize the images and align all 3 in the center so they fit nicely on the page. Now let's talk about collaboration, which is another very useful feature in Canva. You can add more people to your workflow by clicking on the plus icon at the top. This allows you to work with teammates, clients, or friends on the same website design. You can invite people by entering their email addresses, or you can simply copy the sharing link and send it to them. Canva also gives you full control over access levels. You can choose whether only you can access the design or if anyone with the link can view or edit it. This is especially helpful when you're working with a team or sharing your design with a client for feedback. You can also see how many people are currently viewing or editing the design. which makes collaboration very transparent and easy to manage. Before publishing the website, Canva provides a preview option. When I click on the preview button, I can see exactly how the website will look once it goes live on the internet. This allows me to double-check everything, including layout, text, images, and animations. As you can see, the website looks really clean, smooth, and professional. Now let's move on to publishing the website. To do that, I'll click on Publish Website. Here, Canva gives me the option to set a site URL. I can also use a custom domain by clicking on Use a Custom Domain, but that feature is part of a paid plan. For now, I'll simply use a Canva-generated URL. I'll enter a name like The Stuff 123. Once I click Publish, Canva starts preparing the design. This process only takes a few moments. After that, the website goes live. I can click on View Website, and Canva will automatically redirect me to the live URL where my website is now hosted. Now you can see that the website is fully ready. It displays my name, the introduction section, animated images, the bio section, and the featured work area, with smooth transitions and animations. Overall, a clean, minimal, and visually appealing portfolio website has been created. You can copy this URL and share it with anyone, and it will function just like a normal website that can be accessed from any browser. So that's how you can create and publish your own portfolio website using Canva in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the way, if you want to use Canva and social media to make extra money each month, one of the simplest ways is by creating and selling digital products. It's very beginner-friendly. You can make something like an ebook, checklist, or guide in Canva once, then sell it over and over again with almost no ongoing costs. That means profit margins are extremely high, and you don't need to work crazy hours. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Literally just 3 to 5 hours of work per week can realistically make you thousands per month in profit. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, start by watching the free video linked in the description.